Hey guys, it's Nina. I am back as I promised with another unboxing video, and this time it is a Dooney, as I'm sure this box is familiar to many of you. Dooney continues to, or actually I Love Dooney is where this purchase came from, and they seem to be having sale after sale to take advantage of all of the people who are trapped at home. I guess it's working in my case. In any case, let me see if I can do this. All right, so it is the, oh my goodness, I'm very excited about this. Okay, so this bag is the, what is this called? The Hattie Drawstring, as you can see. And let's get it out of the plastic bag. This is actually my very, very first, actually I lied, it's my second Florentine piece. I did have one other Florentine a while back, but that's been years ago that I last bought a Florentine bag, so it's almost like the first time because it's been a very long time. But so here we are. Hope you guys can see the bag. This is the Hattie Drawstring, and this is the regular size, so it is not the small, which I think the small is a crossbody, so it's definitely not the small, and it is not the large, which is slightly even bigger than this one. And so, to be completely honest, I was going back and forth about whether I wanted the large or this steel blue, I think is the color of this one. Yeah, steel blue. I was going back and forth, and I'm kind of upset because the one that I really wanted was, well, I'm not going to say that I mean, I want this too, but the one that I originally wanted was the one in the color salmon. And I put it in my, bag, and then my cart, and then I was like, I don't really need another bag, and am I really going to carry that bag? And it's, it's a little bit more on the pricier side, so I kept going back and forth about whether I really needed it or wanted it. And while I was, trying to make my decisions, unfortunately, the salmon color is sold out. So, so there's the lesson of the day. Go with your first instinct. So then I was annoyed, and there were a couple shades left, and I think this one was my next choice. I like kind of that muted blue color. It's almost like a slate blue. I don't know if the lighting is doing it justice. It's not, I think, if anyone has the denim color one, it's more muted than that. So it's not quite as denim blue as that one. This one to me reads almost like a grayish blue. So like a slate blue. I guess that steel blue makes the perfect sense, the color steel blue. So anyways, it's the Hattie Drawstring, and it's got the woven cord, which is absolutely beautiful, in the Timoro brown. And then let me see if I can get rid of all the stuffing out of here so we can take a good look at the interior. There's the dust bag that comes with it. This bag is pretty large, so I'm actually kind of glad that I ended up not choosing or opting for the large, because I think the large is a couple inches bigger. It's a couple inches taller, or maybe an inch and a half taller or something, and it's also like another inch and a half wider. So it's definitely a big bag, which I mean, I don't mind big bags, to be honest, so it wouldn't have been, because I do like totes a lot too, so it would have just been like a, you know, you could carry it like your typical like bucket bag. But it is very, very pretty. I love this clasp. I think this is one of my favorite features. Now, I did hear some negative feedback on some reviews about people having issues with this coming loose, so that is yet to be determined as to how that is going to work out. But you can show the Dooney logo with the white enamel, or you can show the duck. I really like the duck, so I'll probably have it on this side. But we'll see as I carry it. You know, I'll do an update. Whoops, what did I do wrong here? I'll do an update as to whether or not this is turning into an issue or not. I did see someone actually glue this, which, you know, I don't know if that's, you know, I guess to keep it. Basically, if you glue it with like some sort of epoxy, it will stay, but then obviously you don't have the option to move it back and forth from the design standpoint, which wouldn't be too bad. But I don't know, like I said, right now I'm not going to do anything with it. I'm just gonna carry it, see what happens. Oh, look at that beautiful suede green edging. That's really nice. You know, this interior arrivals are actually is better than, to be honest, in my humble opinion. It's better than like a Louis Vuitton bag, to be honest, quality wise. The attention to detail, I know some people might disagree with me on that. I do have a couple of Louis bags, so it's just from my personal experience, and of course only on the bags that I own, which I don't have a lot, so it could just be from what I own. But this is, I mean, for the money, Dooney does do an amazing job with quality, I think, for the most part. There are some, you know, things that have come down in quality, just like with every brand. I feel like almost every brand that I have been used to purchasing had some reduction in quality over, you know, like for instance this, I still don't understand. I say this every time, but I don't understand the gunmetal dog leash clip inside for your key leash. Don't get that at all, because all the other hardware is gold. So why? Maybe they thought that gunmetal would be better, like, because you're constantly hooking your keychain or stuff on it and it's getting scratched. There must be some logic as to why they chose to do the gunmetal instead of the gold hardware on the inside. Or it could just be cost, right? Cost savings. I'm sure this costs much less than doing a brass, you know, clip like what we have on the exterior hardware. So, very nice bag. Love the interior. I'm gonna have to be maniacal about keeping the inside clean, because I hate when purses get marked up on the inside. I can't stand that. So I'll have to be careful about that, but it is a beautiful bag. I do like it. We'll see how it carries and if I have any issues with the clasp. But anyway, so that's my unboxing for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you have any questions about it, for those that might be new to this, I know most of my viewers are probably not. This is a bag that's been in Dooney's collection for a long time, so this is absolutely nothing new. But if anybody has any questions, put them down in the comments and I'll be sure to give you my answers. All right, thank you so much. I will talk to you in my next video, which will be going back to lug, because the second lug bag that I purchased during the TSV day did arrive in today's mail. And as I mentioned earlier, I have that same bag in 4 other prints, so this will be my 5th one. So I have 5 prints in the zip liner lug bag, so I will be posting that video probably later this week. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. Please subscribe and like the video. Appreciate it. Bye-bye.